Hey guys, today we're going to be going over lesson 4.6, which is solving quadratic inequalities. So in order to solve quadratic inequalities in two variables, in other words, we have an x and a y, these are the things we want to look at. Notice that this is basically our standard form of a quadratic except for one of our four inequality symbols substituted in instead of an equal sign. So that's the difference between an equality, or something that has an equal sign, and an inequality. It's the symbol that you see. So if we have a greater than or equal to type inequality on these, we need to know how to shade. Remember that inequalities don't have a single answer, they have a range of answers or a shaded region of answers. So if we have a greater than or equal to, we're going to be shading above graph of the parabola in this case, sorry. So we will shade above, which is up from the vertex. When we had lines, we were looking at our y-intercept and deciding up or down. Now we're looking at the vertex and deciding up or down. So if we have a less than or equal to, we're going to shade below. And that's going to be down from the vertex. All right, the other thing we want to remember is that if we have a greater than or less than symbol, just a greater than or less than plane, then when we draw this, just like with linear inequalities, it's going to be a dashed line. And then if we have a greater than or equal to, a less than or equal to, so the line underneath as part of our inequality, we have a solid line. So solid versus dashed.